Hi there, I'm James, and I'm part of the Healthcare SEO strategy team at Search Business Group. We're here to help you grow your online presence and reach more patients. In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental question. How does SEO work for healthcare professionals, doctors, and veterinarians like you? Have you ever wondered how to make your medical expertise stand out online? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the answer. The digital prescription ensures your expertise reaches those who need it most. Let's start with keyword research, the heartbeat of SEO. Think of keywords as the terms your patients or clients type into search engines. You can tailor your content to match their search by understanding these keywords. On-page optimization is like a medical diagnosis for your website. You fine-tune your content, titles, and headings to align with your medical specialties. This way, search engines recognize your expertise and present your website to those seeking medical information. Technical SEO is all about your website's health. A mobile responsive design and fast loading times provide a smooth patient experience and please search engines, boosting your rankings. Content creation is your prescription for patient engagement. Sharing medically reviewed articles, videos, and blogs establishes your authority and provides the valuable information patients seek. Just as referrals are essential in healthcare, backlinks are crucial in the digital world. High-quality backlinks from reputable medical sources validate your expertise and elevate your website's reputation. Patient experience matters online too. A seamless website with clear navigation helps patients quickly find what they need, whether scheduling an appointment or seeking medical guidance. Data analysis is like your post-treatment follow-up. Tools like Google Analytics offer insights into what's working, which medical topics are popular, and where improvements are needed. Just as medical practices evolve, so does SEO. Stay updated with search engine algorithm changes to ensure your medical website remains current and compliant with best practices. So the next time you ask, how does SEO work? Remember, it's your key to making your medical expertise more accessible than ever. If you have more questions about SEO or healthcare related, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'm James, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Stay healthy, stay optimized.